The most important thing when it's like the event I'm just attending here right now is that we meet people. I can easily produce a CD or a live stream or a online education program which is going to take you through all my key learnings, but you want to meet the person, you want to interact with the person, you want to feel that the person is present. That's the reason why people go to conferences, and the reason why people also go is to meet and to network. I think we increasingly are starting to understand that if I need to really feel the need for a change, I need to feel a physical impact on me. That's where I go and say, wow, this has really changed me. That's the reason why people go to concerts today. They don't go just because of the sound quality, because that's a bit bad. They don't go because it's safe, because it's not. It's smelly, it's gluey on the floor because people drop their beers, it's squeezy, it's not very comfortable, but people go there because of an experience. An experience is really the essence of conferences. So the better we are at creating experiences, the better I am as an advisor and speaker and visionary person to convey that feeling, the more it hopefully transforms people around me. So conferences is all about our five senses, which by the way is a book I wrote back in 2003.